to 23rd session of Advanced Financial Management, 5th semester BBA of Bangalore University. In this session, let us discuss weighted average cost of capital. Recap of previous session. In the previous session, we discussed cost of capital, equity share capital. In this session, let us discuss weighted average cost of capital. Weighted average cost of capital is the average cost of the costs of various sources of financing. Weighted average cost of capital is also known as composite cost of capital, overall cost of capital. The weights may be given either by using the book value of the source or market value of the source. Weighted average cost of capital is calculated in the following formula: KW into sigma XW divided by sigma W, where KW is equals to weighted average cost of capital, X is equals to cost of specific sources of finance, W is equals to weight, proportion of specific sources of finance. Now let us discuss a problem. A firm has the following capital structure and after tax cost of the different sources of funds used. The sources of funds given, amount, proportion and percentage after tax cost is given. Calculate cost of weighted capital by using book value method. Solution: calculation of weighted average cost of capital. Method of financing: proportion percent, cost percent, weighted cost. In this, we have to take all the given method of financing, that is debt, preference share, equity shares, retained earnings, with their percentage of proportion and percentage of cost. The proportion percentage has to be multiplied with cost percentage, which will give you weighted cost. For debt, 20% of proportion into cost 4.50%, weighted cost is 0.90. Preference shares also, weighted cost is 0.90. Equity shares weighted cost is 3.30. Retained earnings weighted cost is 4.00. Weighted average cost of capital is 9.10%. Thank you. Have a nice day.